Cracked heels are a common foot problem that can be painful and unsightly. They are also known as fixtures, and they occur when the skin on the heels become dry and loses its elasticity. Cracked heels can be caused by a variety of factors, including dehydration, prolonged standing and walking, and wearing open-backed shoes. Fortunately, there are many treatment options for cracked heels, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some simple home remedies that you can carry out to help heal a cracked heel. So do stay with me till the end so you don't miss any details. Thanks so much for joining me once again. First of all, I want us to go through some of the causes of a cracked heel, because I believe that once we know the cause, then we can prevent that from occurring in the first place, so we don't develop a cracked heel at all. One of the things that can cause a cracked heel is lack of moisture. This is the most common cause of a cracked heel. The skin around your heels has a relatively small number of sweat glands and a lack of elasticity, so it can often become dry, rough, and chapped. Sometimes a lack of some vitamins and minerals such as iron and zinc in your diet can adversely affect your heel's health. Spending a long time standing at work or home tends to put pressure on your feet, and this can stress the skin on your heels. Cracks on the heels are more likely as you grow older as a result of the skin losing its elasticity. Other health disorders such as athlete's foot, psoriasis, eczema, thyroid disease, diabetes can all cause cracked heels. Another common reason of a cracked heel is obesity. Being overweight can increase the pressure on the fat part under the heel, and this can cause it to expand sideways. And if the skin lacks flexibility, it will put pressure on the feet, and this can lead to a cracked heel. More commonly is an open-backed sandals or shoes that can allow the fat under your heel to expand sideways and increase the possibility of cracks on your heels. Taking care of your feet regularly is very important. You would realize that especially during the warm weather, when everybody wants to wear a sandals, a lot of people would develop a cracked heel. And for those who live in very warm countries, cracked heels are very common because they are constantly wearing shoes that are not covering the whole foot, and this allows the foot to spread sideways, and when there is lack of moisture and elasticity, a cracked heel will eventually develop. Now let's move straight into the home remedies. The first thing that you can do to heal a cracked heel is to exfoliate. You can use a pumice stone or a foot file to remove dead skin from the heels. It's important that you are gentle in doing this and avoid scrubbing too hard. You can also soak your feet in warm water. You can do this on a daily basis for 10 to 15 minutes after a hard day's work. This would help soften the skin and make it easier for the dead skin to come off. You can also use heel balms, and these are available in your community pharmacy. A good quality one is one that has got 25% urea, and this tends to rehydrate, repair, and nourish the heel really well. So speak to your local community pharmacist about it. A regular use of a heel balm really helps and makes a difference, but you need to remember that if the underlying cause is not addressed, the cracked heel would keep on coming. If you want to use a moisturizer, then go for one that is very thick. There are a wide range of moisturizers that you can use to help heal a cracked heel. Examples are Cetaphil and Eucerin. These are really good for healing a cracked heel. So once again, speak to your community pharmacist about this. Another thing also that you can do is to wear supportive footwear. Wear shoes that fit well and provide adequate support to prevent further damage to the heels. Also, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Another tip might be to change your diet to one which is rich in vitamins and minerals such as zinc, iron, and calcium. In many cases, this can help boost your skin health, although it is best to check with your doctor first before making any changes to your diet. And finally, if your cracked heels are severe and painful, don't ignore it, as over a period, you may develop deeper fissures, which increases the risk of an infection. Consult your doctor as early as possible for further treatment options, such as prescription-only creams or ointments. Our take home for today: when it comes to cracked skin, taking care of your feet regularly is always better than cure. It's important that you give your feet the same care and attention that you would give the rest of your body. If you're always pressed for time, soften hard skin quickly by soaking your feet in warm water. Remember to always wear shoes that protect and support the pad of your foot, and avoid shoes that are too loose or too tight. I hope you have learned something new today. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, because when you do that, the video is recommended to a lot more people. Share with your family and friends, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, leave your comments in the comment section, because I would love to read from you. I would love to know what you do when you develop a cracked heel. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.